मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस पिक्चर का म्यूज़िक, इसलिए कि आमतौर से शौर्य टाइटल से ऐसा लगता है कि एक मिलिटेंट सी फिल्म होगी जिसमें कुछ मार्चिंग के गाने होंगे, बड़े चलो, और कुछ मेलोडी नहीं होगी, डेप्थ नहीं होगी, बल्कि वही क्लीशे तरह के गाने, मगर ऐसा नहीं है। इसलिए कि कहानी भी ज़रा कुछ अलग अंदाज से बनाई गई है और कुछ उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बड़ा अलग है। तो इसके जो गीत हैं, सिचुएशंस अलग थी तो गीत भी अलग हो गए हैं। और ये पहली बार मैंने अदनान सामी के साथ काम किया, वो म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर हैं इस पिक्चर के, और बड़ा मुझे मज़ा आया उनके साथ काम करके। और उनकी धुनें बड़ी मज़े की थी और बड़ी डिफरेंट थी, तो सिचुएशन अलग थी, ट्यून अलग थी, तो मुझे भी मौका मिला कुछ अलग तरह से लिखने का। अब मैं कितना लिख पाया हूँ, कितना नहीं लिख पाया हूँ, ये तो अब फैसला दूसरे करेंगे।
It's a film about relationships. It's a film about, it revolves around a court-martial happening in the army. But essentially it is also a film, a very human film about relationships. It's a film about people triumphing over their fears and displaying their courage, the courage that is them. Well, I do the films that I like, and this is completely different from Yahan. It may look slightly similar because of the locale, because of the army background, but as a story, it's completely different. As a character that I've played in Yahan, it's completely different. I play an investigative journalist out here. I play a girl who is very sure of herself, who's career-oriented. She's someone who lives on her own. She's posted in Kashmir, and she's an investigative journalist, and her only thing is that she wants to get a byline. She wants to get a front page. She just doesn't want to be Kshetriya Samvadata anymore. And she comes across this story, which would be the source of her to get that front page and to be a journalist of serious recognition and all of that. But how that this story ends up then being a humanitarian cause for her. It's not just about getting a byline anymore. It's about wanting justice to take place. It's about seeing that something is not right and making sure that you do whatever in your capacities to make sure that justice happens.
It's a very interesting subject, and when I was approached for it, I was a little baffled because I was wondering that, there's such a heavy military drama, where's the scope for music, But when Samir explained the situations to me, they made a lot of sense. I mean, most of the songs have not been lip-synced, so that makes sense, and he's used them in the background according to the situation, and I think that turned out really well, because if you have a very staunch, heavy duty soldier who is very very dry in nature and everything, suddenly him breaking into a song doesn't make sense in today's cinema. So I think he was right in doing that, and I think he's done a great job. Yeah.
अच्छा है ना यार, एक्टर को ये मौका मिलना चाहिए कि क्या क्या कर सकता है वो दिखाए. एंड बूम, जजंतरम ममंतरम, सलाम नमस्ते, तररमपम, विक्टोरिया 203, धमाल, शौर्य, टोटली अलग अलग किस्म के रोल है ना. मैं लकी हूँ एक तरीके से कि मुझे ऐसा मौका मिला कि आई कैन प्ले ऑल दीज वेरिएशंस, एंड अच्छी तरह प्ले किया है. लोगों को ये नहीं लगा ये क्या बकवास कर रहा है. सो आई एम लकी, एंड होपफुली लोग पसंद करेंगे, और आगे बहुत कुछ और भी है इस साल आएगा, काफ़ी अच्छा काम.
सर, कैरेक्टर की बात करते हैं तो किस तरह का रोल है फिल्म में?
बेसिकली आर्मी बेस्ड है, तो सारे लोग आर्मी के ही हैं एक्सेप्ट द गर्ल्स, बट गर्ल्स का भी कहीं ना कहीं आर्मी से कनेक्शन है एक का. तो मैं प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑफिसर हूँ. कोर्ट मार्शल केस हो रहा है दीपक डोबरियाल के खिलाफ, और राहुल डिफेंस में आते हैं. हम दोनों बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हैं, और हमारी दोस्ती शुरू होती है, और फाइनली जब केस में आती है तो कैसे दोस्ती में कुछ एक खलिश से पैदा होती है, और एक दरार, और कुछ हकीकतें उजागर होती हैं केस के बारे में, जिसमें शौर्य की ज़रूरत होती है. अपने अंदर जो एक कश्मकश होती है, एक सच को सामना करने की ताकत.
अदनान और मैं जब भी मिलते थे हम लोग संगीत की ही बातें करते थे, और वी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट म्यूज़िक. सो जब मेरी फिल्म की बात आई तो आई वांटेड अदनान टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म. मैं चाहता था कि अदनान से ही मैं संगीत कराऊं, बिकॉज वो मेरे बहुत, जैसे कहा कि एक दोस्ती थी हमारी. तो फिल्म में एक मेलोडी बहुत ज़्यादा है, मेलोडी का इस्तेमाल किया गया है फिल्म के अंदर. सो Adnan has given a lot of great soul to the music, and Javed Saab ने इसके lyrics लिखे हैं, and Javed Saab is again someone who is very senior, very respected in the industry, and जब गाने लिखने की बात आई तो we approached Javed Saab, and Javed Saab agreed to write the lyrics for the film.
My character in this film is of an army defense lawyer. He's been in the army for a while. He likes the army, but he doesn't love it. It's not something that he's looking to spend the rest of his life in. He wants to be with the army for about 4 or 5 years and then leave and start something else. He loves adventure sport. At one point of time, he gets a case to defend, and he's the defense lawyer. The case looks like a hopeless case, so he's just there to try and, do the formalities. But as he begins to solve the case, as he begins to defend the case, he realizes that there are issues involved that go really, really deep into discrimination, into what courage means, into what friendship means. His best friend is the opposing lawyer. He's fighting for principles that he believes in, but he will lose everything else in return. His career, his success, his money, his freedom. So I think Shaurya, which means courage, in this film is about Siddhant's, my character's name, Siddhant's Shaurya, to fight for his principles, especially in the second half of the film, when everything else is being lost around him. And if he loses this fight, he will lose everything. So I think that really impressed me about this film. Nowadays we find a lot of youngsters, a lot of media people, fighting for principles. And I think that's the only thing worth fighting for. After the money and the car and the flat, what else do you need?
Sure,